Hello! Today we are at the Shenandoah Heritage Village in Luray, Virginia. The village is a recreation of a small 19th century farming community. It looks like this building has a lot of old tools that would have been found on the farms. The building to the right is a burner barn, which is a log bank barn. It was moved from a farm in Overall, Virginia, piece by piece and rebuilt at this site. The log barns were once very common in the area, but very few exist today as many were burned during the Civil War. The bottom of the barn has a cafe which was not open the day we visited, but it does have food and beverages. Wow, what a beautiful view of the mountains in the background. This is the Elk Run Meeting House dating from the early 1800s. It was originally in the Mill Creek community, but moved to the current location in just one piece. During the Civil War, the building was used to shelter both Union and Confederate soldiers. This is the Bull House, dating from 1835. It is a yellow pine log house, which was originally in Kimball Springs. The house was moved piece by piece to this current site. This structure is called a corn crib, which was used to store corn. Dates from 1850 and was moved here from the Lee Plantation in Lynchburg, Virginia. This is one of the oldest African American one-room schoolhouses surviving in Virginia. This is another building from the Lee Plantation in Lynchburg, Virginia. Apparently they do blacksmith demonstrations, but unfortunately not on the day we were there. The Shank Farmhouse is the only building that is original to this property. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button.